The Southern African Development Community SADC Extraordinary Heads of State and Government Summit, whose proceedings began yesterday in Harare, convened a meeting of the SADC Troika of the Organ on Politics, Defense and Security Cooperation to deal with the critical political and security situation in Mozambique. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyuka panapa tiona kuti aiwa vakomana vanoungana munyika yeZimbabwe vachida kudiscussa pamusoro pecase iri kuitika kuDRC zvichitoenda kuMozambique. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa news okusanganira vachiti Mauritius could also feature as it held elections recently like Mozambique and Botswana. The Botswana elections won by President Duma Boko and Umbrella for Democratic Change by a landslide against mnangagwa's regional political ally former President Masisi and his Botswana Democratic Party BDP in power for 58 years sent shockwaves across the region. Namibia goes to elections on 27 November amid fears of the ruling SWAPO could suffer the same fate as BDP. Vanouya zvekare vachiexplaina nawo vecase iri kuitika Mozambique vachiti the main sources of public discontent which had featured heavily in Modlane's campaign range from anger over the lack of democratic space to frustration with police brutality, economic failure, corruption and poverty. The situation first deteriorated after the murder of Modlane's lawyer Elvino Diaz, who was preparing a legal challenge to the election results, and Paulo Kahumbe, a Podemos parliamentary candidate, as the two traveled together in a car in Maputo. Tomashko anobuda chitoko panapa unachiona kuti aiwa chaos yanyanyisa Mozambique, but as we can see kuti aiwa vakomana with the SADC Troika they are sitting down, but chinoshamisa vanhu chekuti vari kugara vacho vachida kusolve the dispute ndo vanhu vacho vakaikonzeresa. Tidze mafungiro enyu kuti kudai pamusoro pechiitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell.